och vi i alla fall försöker ge en chans. Du vill ha det som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej.
Hey lovers, and welcome back for another clean with me video. Today is going to be a power hour and I'm super excited. I have not filmed one of these in a while. If you are new here, my name is Regina and welcome to Life with Regina, where I share cleaning motivation vlogs and everyday life. If you are interested in any of those things, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, and like. We're gonna get right into it. I have already put my chores in my keep note. They are right here. I don't know if you can see them. I'm gonna have to cut but this is the Keep Notes app. If you have a Google account, you have access to it. I just purchased these little the labels from Etsy. They were like $1 because I didn't feel like going into camera and making them. Let me turn the light off. It's just giving a reflection. Oh, hold on. All right. So this is what they look like. I have all of my chores here listed in a checklist so you can see what I'm doing. And y'all, I think I'm really gonna like this app. I just discovered this off TikTok, like some old TikTok videos, but girl, I think I'm gonna like it because I am a list girly, okay? Most definitely I'm a list and check girly. So I have windows on here, vacuum, baseboards, steam mop, and that's part of the bathroom, dusting, laundry. Oh, let me add bathroom on here because I want to get the bathroom. I don't know if I'm going to do all this in this power hour, y'all. I'm going to have to prioritize some things. I'm definitely going to have to prioritize some things. The bathroom, I think I can get... We'll see. We'll see. Some of this might be a power hour part 2. I don't know. But we'll see how much we get done. Let's start with the room, laundry, and we'll work our way back into the bathroom. We're gonna see, girl. Anyway, let's clean. Oh, while I'm cleaning, I'm probably going to be catching up. I don't know what I need to catch up on as far as TV shows is concerned. I've been watching, if you like shows like Couples Therapy, there's a Couples Therapy show on Netflix. It's called Blue Therapy. And I watched like that whole show in one day. It was ridiculous. Oh, I've been watching Love is Blind. That's what I might catch up on it. I'll just have it playing in the background and some background noise. All right, let's clean.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. crave when you're away. Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open.
Whew. All right, y'all, we have decluttered all of the crap off the floor. So next I'm going to be dusting, I think. Yeah, dust, get this fan, wipe down all the furniture, and then, girl, I don't know. Let me look at my list. I forgot already.
Daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love. Fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back. Wondering where you at. Or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay. I'ma let you live, no shame. No shame. No game. No game. I wanna fall in love. butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah, what you doing to me?
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. Whoa.
Yeah. Easy come and easy go. I'm just used to what I know. Baby, if I left you in the cold, I'm so sorry. I just need someone to vent to. Baby, if there was a problem, I would be here to fix all your issues. Yeah, talk to me nice. I just wanna play it right. I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight. I'ma show you what it's like. I'ma make it right. Yeah, talk to me nice. I just wanna play it right. I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight. I'ma show you what it's like. I'ma make it right. Make it right. Make it right. Make it right. Yeah. She got a thing for the brothers getting money, and my guys getting to it. She got a thing for moving too fast, and you know she getting to it. Cause the money and the things, the money and the fame, the things I love, they all cause pain. I think too much and go insane. I know she needs someone to save her. Yeah, talk to me nice. I just wanna play it right. I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight. I'ma show you what it's like. I'ma make it right. Yeah, talk to me nice. I just wanna play it right. I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight. I'ma show you what it's like. I'ma make it right. Make it right. Make it right. Make it right.
Alright, y'all. I am done.
You know who to call when you need someone. Baby, I'ma call her when you know I'm on. Yeah, talk to me nice. I just wanna play it right. I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight, I'ma show you what it's like, I'ma make it right. Yeah, talk to me nice, I just wanna play it right, I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight, I'ma show you what it's like, I'ma make it right.